Hey y'all, today's video I was at the 2024 Columbus Goodguys event and I came across a very cool 1959 Impala I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around and we'll check it out real quick. Rolling art, truly rolling art. Every decision that needed to be made was made correctly in my opinion. Colors, textures, this wheel openings have been massaged, you can only imagine. It still looks exactly like a 59 Impala, and you wouldn't want it to look like anything else. I mean, that's GM's version of the Batmobile, right? Just cool from the factory, but wheel openings have been messed with, like I said, body lines have been messed with, rockers have been reworked, bumpers tucked and smooth, the list goes on, but you can't see any of it. It still looks, I bet you if you parked it next to a stock one, you could probably see a difference. Obviously the level of finish would maybe different, but Mike Curtis designed some wheels to look like hubcaps. Very, very cool. I love that lip on those in the back. Everything. I wouldn't change a thing. That interior color with that body color, the body's a Porsche Adventure Green. Against that is just awesome. Dash has been played with some Dakota digital gauges, how cool is that? It's won awards already. Slonaker Award out in California, Grand National 2024. It was at Street Machine of the Year in Columbus. I'm not sure how it did there. They wanted it to look like a 409. It's LS3 supercharged. Kind of cool. I love the colors and again, I just think that pinstripe on the radiator support, I wouldn't change a thing. Nothing. Even the bumper bullets, right? You would think you would take that off, but no. Leave it on there. Ride Tech suspension, that's where it rides coil over, so no up and down button. It's a great car. And you be able to drive it anywhere you want to go after you're done showing it. That's the other thing. And I'm not a big fan of the D-shaped wheel, but I wouldn't change it. It works in this one. Everything about it, they just killed it. Every decision that needed to be made, in my opinion, again, was the correct one. Not sure who did the interior, but shout out to them. They did a great job. What am I saying, 16? I think it's 14-inch brakes on it. You really can't see them with that solid type of wheel. But again, all of it, top notch. I love it. Look at the detail on the firewall. Look, there's a million decisions in front of you guys. And every single one of them was the right one, in my opinion. Very cool. So there you go from the 2024 Goodguys Columbus event and Steve Cook Creations. A very cool 1959 Impala. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.